Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the DJI Neo, a groundbreaking pocket-sized drone that's poised to redefine the aerial photography and videography landscape. Let's explore its innovative features, sleek design, and how it stacks up against the competition. Design and features. The DJI Neo boasts a compact and ergonomic design that's reminiscent of the popular DJI Mini series. Its intuitive controls and quick-shot modes make it easy to operate, even for beginners. The drone's compatibility with DJI's controllers and goggles ensures a seamless integration into the existing DJI ecosystem, making it a versatile choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Performance and flight experience. While the DJI Neo lacks a micro SD card slot, it compensates with a generous 23 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for your aerial capture. Although I couldn't conduct a full performance test in this video, I was thoroughly impressed by the drone's first-person view (FPV) experience, which offered a truly immersive flight. The Neo's seamless integration with DJI's goggles suggests that it's well-suited for FPV flying and will appeal to enthusiasts seeking a high-quality, compact drone. Image quality and camera capabilities. One of the most crucial aspects of any drone is its camera performance. While the DJI Neo's specifications are promising, only real-world testing will reveal its true capabilities. We'll have to wait for in-depth reviews and comparisons to determine whether the Neo can deliver exceptional image quality that rivals its more expensive counterpart. Pricing and competition. The DJI Neo is competitively priced, making it an attractive option for those seeking a high-quality drone without breaking the bank. However, the question remains: how does the Neo stack up against other micro-drones and DJI's more advanced models? Only time will tell if the Neo can carve out a niche in the competitive drone market. The DJI Neo is a promising addition to the drone market, offering a combination of portability, performance, and affordability. While we'll need to wait for more comprehensive reviews to assess its image quality and overall capabilities, the Neo's sleek design and intuitive controls make it a compelling option for both hobbyists and professionals. Stay tuned for more. If you're as excited as I am to learn more about the latest drone technology, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll be sharing more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and insights to help you make informed decisions about your next drone purchase. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'll catch you all in the next video.